Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone watching. This is our innovation product, the laundry box, the convenient product for everyone. Before we continue, let me introduce you to our group members. We have 5 group members. First, it is me, Hafizah binti Muhammad Abdullah. Our second members is IZATUL ALIN ATHASYA binti KASSIM. The third one is IZZATI LIYANA binti AHMAD SYAFIEE. Fourth, SYIRILYN. And lastly, ROSLINDA binti Muhammad ROSLI.
I am SYIRILYN binti ABDUL ARIS. I'm going to start with introduction. Laundry bags often look ordinary without adding any other good use for the user. The laundry box that we innovate is a bit different from any ordinary laundry bag and has more convenient use. Our product is named the laundry box. We added movable function to our product, which are wheels that can ease the user to bring it anywhere and many more. We are going to explain one by one in this video.
I am IZZATI. So this is our laundry box for innovation product. As we can see in the first picture above, it is our laundry box from side view. From the side, it has a space for detergent. And for the second picture, which is front view, our laundry box have light, digital number phone, timer, button to set timer, and also wheels. We made an innovation by adding all of these things to an ordinary laundry box, and all of the things have its own benefit to the users. Next, this is the problem statement. These are also the reason why we made an innovation to an ordinary laundry box. The first reason is the laundry box is too heavy, so we added wheels to make it more easy to carry. Second, sometimes street has no light and we made our product with a light. Third, student hostel cannot bring a phone to set time for the next turn. Due to this problem, we added timer that got with a button to set the timer. Next, people busy and leave their laundry bag. For this problem, we have added digital number phone so the users could leave their phone number. The last problem detected is the detergent are heavy and had to bring separately with laundry box. To prevent this problem to happen again, we invent a space or pocket for detergent.
Product novelty. What's make our product different? It is the innovation we included in the laundry box such as lamp, timer, digital phone number and space like pocket for the detergent. We designed this product according to its function and the convenient use of the pupil.
There are 5 functions of the product that we innovate. First one, we added pocket for space to put the detergent so that user do not have to bring it heavily. Second, we added wheels and trolley to help pupil carry heavy laundry box to anywhere without lifting it up. Furthermore, we added lamp to help pupil dealing with dark street, especially at night, so that user no need to on their flashlight. Next, we added timer for user, especially student, to know when their laundry done. And lastly, we added digital number phone for pupil that next or before can call to inform the laundry status.
Target market. Our target market is all people because it is suitable because they no need to lift heavy laundry because our product provide a trolley. Next, hostel student. It's suitable for them because our product have timer to set a time when their clothes are ready. College students. Our product is suitable for them because our product is multifunctional which make it easy for them to use it. And women who are busy working and don't have time to wait for their clothes at the laundry, Our product is suitable because it has a digital card number that make it easy for the next person to call if the clothes are ready.
Hi, my name is ROSLINDA. For conclusion, first, towards society, the effect of the product towards society, especially students, can easily carry it anywhere without having to use energy by lifting it like the original product. Next, toward environment, our product do not require or use anything that can causes harm to environment. Last but not least, towards economic, affordable price, multifunction, and attracts many people.
Thank you very much for watching the video.